The crypto market is crashing, and there will be a massive transfer of money from people who are impatient and don't know what they're doing to those who are well diversified and understand the market dynamics. So in this video, I will explain what is happening in the market, especially the crypto market, and why this could be the biggest transfer of money ever seen. So stay tuned. Hi there, welcome to your channel, The Foreigner in America, where I'll teach locals and foreigners everything related to money and personal finances, including investing in the markets, cryptos, real estate, and businesses. So if you're someone like myself who wants to achieve greater wealth in life, you don't settle for pennies but for Benjamins, and you love money, please subscribe to this great channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my weekly videos. Also check out my Instagram and TikTok at The Foreigner in America and my blog under the same name. And I have a book, which I will leave the link below for you to check out. So without further ado, let's begin. There is no better time to invest than when the markets are down. And they're currently experiencing a strong bear market, especially with the cryptos. If you're some of the people that invested a good amount of money into Terra Luna, you're down a whopping 99 to 100% of your money now. I just saw someone tweet that their $2.8 million are now worth less than $1,000. Just imagine that. This is the reason everyone, including myself, always tells you that cryptos can make you a lot of money when they spike, just like Doge did back in the day with Elon's tweets, or Shiba Inu with the idea of being the Doge killer, but it could lead you to financial stress as well. For investors who risked 5% of their portfolio into cryptos and didn't buy only one specific one, but 50 of them, including Bitcoin and Ether, then your portfolio is probably down a good 15%. But 15% of your 5% is not a lot of money and will not lead into financial crisis. But for some guys and gals out there who bet 100% of their money into one coin, hoping to become the next billionaire in less than 6 months, well, hopefully you didn't use Terra Luna as your investment vehicle. This is what happens. With Terra Luna dropping 99% or more, it pulled most of the cryptos down, including Bitcoin, which is trading under 30,000, which is lowest since 2020. People placing money on Bitcoin in 2020 still haven't made a single cent today. That's the reason why I always see investments in 30-year periods, just like real estate. One of the contracts or DeFi projects from Luna called Anchor lost $11 billion in the past few days. One question I have though is, all this money lost on cryptos, where is it moving to? When you lose money on a stock, someone else makes money on the stock. It's a transfer of wealth. But the trillions of dollars lost in cryptos, since not many of them are pulling up, where is that money going to? Good question. Another concern is that Terra's stablecoin UST crashed to a low of 0.3 and lost its value to the dollar. Then Bitcoin is being oversold in levels between 27 and 30,000, and they say it could break that level, but this collapse of UST impacted the general crypto market, and it will take time to recover. This is the interesting part though. Stable coins like Tether and USDC are backed by assets like cash and bonds. But in case of algorithmic stable coins like UST, are automatically backed by another digital assets. So now you understand you can only invest in stable coins who are actually stable, backed by assets and cash. LFG's reserves ratio to USD fell last week and forced them to liquidate their Bitcoin reserves. Now, regulators like Janet Yellen are pushing for more regulation on stablecoin as well. The stock market is also down in all sectors except energy by the time I recorded this video, which is strong due to the higher prices of oil over $100 a barrel. So investors who are diversified into energy lost less money, like Mr. Buffett. This is a great time to buy stocks if you have the cash on hand. Do not sell and panic, because this is just volatility and will pick back up eventually. You still own the number of shares. You have to wait for the share to increase its value. For people who bought Terra Luna, I suggest you still don't sell, because you're losing everything though. In case it recovers, you could slowly get your money back. Never use leverage to trade such risky investments. If you hold money in Bitcoin or Ether, those two are the only coins who are still considered stable and will pick back up the fastest. This is a time to stop reading the news every second and let your money rest and be diversified. If you have the cash to invest, I recommend you buy into Bitcoin at 28 or 30,000, because I doubt it will stay like that for longer than this year at least. Keep investing on cryptos only for a small percentage of your money and think about it as a lost game in case it happens. Don't risk your rent money or mortgage money or money you need to pay bills and food on the table. Even real estate is risky right now, because prices are going to start to fluctuate due to the higher interest rates. I'm very excited to see some properties come down in price and putting some offers under market value. Securing good properties and renting them with positive cash flow, it's just me, but real estate excites me more than the stock market. But remember, take control of your life and take control of your money. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and found useful information, give me a like and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my videos as soon as they come out. So have a great day, don't lose any money, and I'll see you next time.